Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to get Ice and Fire Dragon mod in Minecraft. Let's get started. First, quit Minecraft and open your browser. Search for Ice and Fire Dragons Minecraft and go to CourseForge. Click Files and select the version you want. I recommend the latest one like 1.20.1 and click the three dots, then download file. Forge is required to run mods. Go to the official Forge website and select the same version as your mod. Click installer, then skip any ads if necessary and download it. Then open download folder and double click the Forge installer. If it doesn't open, make sure Java is installed from java.com. Then select install client and press OK. This sets up Forge to Minecraft can run mods. Open the Minecraft launcher and go to installation and find Forge. Hover and click the folder icon and open the mods folder. Place Ice and Fire Dragon and Catidel here. Make sure the version match the avoid crashes. Now hover over Forge and click play. Enter a world, then open the inventory and you'll see Ice and Fire items, weapons, and mobs. Then you can spawn dragon, ride them, and fight epic battles, making your world feel brand new. This mod also adds new gameplay challenges like dragon nests, treasures, and unique mobs. And so it's perfect for both exploration and adventure. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.